Hello everyone, welcome to MOSFET fundamental class. Here we are going to discuss about the device physics of the MOSFET and we will slowly take up it to the level of the analog design. First we will try to understand how MOSFET acts as a switch. So we all know what a switch looks like symbolically. So this is a switch, right? So MOSFET is just like a switch. What it means is here we have three terminals available, right? Source, drain and the gate part. So here gate is actually it's just like a valve, right? Valve, or you can say the tap, which can control, right, the availability of the channel. What it means is when my gate is connected, let's say when my gate is connected to some zero voltage, right? No biasing is there. That means my switch is open, right? It's nothing. It's just a open circuit, right? So that means my source and drain are disconnected, right? So basically they are isolated, right? So second case is when we apply Vg some positive voltage, for example 1.0 volt battery, if I connected here, right? So what it do is it will switch on the circuit. So that means it will be just like a closed switch. Closed switch means source and drain are now connected to each other and they are in the conduction state, right? So this is the very basic statement to say, but in the upcoming slides we are going to discuss in detail how a MOSFET behaves exactly.